Healing prayers. God, restore your heart, dear God. Today I come before you with a heart that needs your healing touch. Some days feel heavy, some moments feel broken, and sometimes the pain is deeper than words. But you, God, know every wound. You see every tear. You understand every silent battle. Lord, I ask you now, step into this heart. Bring comfort where there is sadness. Bring peace where there is fear. Bring strength where there is weakness. And bring healing where there is pain. Father, restore what has been lost. Renew what has been drained. Repair what has been torn. Revive what has grown weary. When my heart feels fragile, hold it gently. When my spirit feels tired, lift it up. When my hope feels small, increase it again. God, you promise that you are close to the brokenhearted. So I surrender every burden, every hurt, every memory, every worry into your loving hands. Cover my heart with your light. Cleanse my mind from negative thoughts. Fill my soul with your peace that is beyond understanding. Let your healing begin today and continue every moment until my heart is whole again, dear God. Restore my heart, renew my strength, and let your love flow through every part of my life. Amen.